This is Mohammed Hassan Mehraj. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view and all the dimensions are given in the isometric view. So first of all, I will start drawing from the right plane. In front plane. In the front plane, I will draw this circle, and this circle has a dimension of 28 diameter. Then I will extrude it to 35 unit, and I will extrude it from the mid plane. Okay, then we can see we have another circle up here, and this circle has a distance from this surface uh, is 15 plus 5 divided by 2. So we can say that it is situated at the middle of this stud boss. Okay, then we can see this circle, we'll draw this circle at the right plane, and it has a total h2 boss of 7 plus 5 plus 7 unit. So I will extrude boss it 2 from the mid plane also. And okay, first of all let's draw this. So first of all I'm selecting the front plane from here. Now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it, now select the circle and place the circle here, and this circle has a dimension of 28 diameter. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude boss, now extrude boss it to, select the blind tool from here, now dimension it to 35 unit, and make sure to select the from the mid plane. Now press OK. So this portion has been done. Now again select the right plane, uh, this time select the right plane, now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it, and this time we'll draw this circular circle, and this circle has a dimension of 15 diameter, and it has a vertical distance from this center line. It has a vertical distance of 26 unit. Okay, and it is situated at the middle of this point. So I am selecting the circle here and drawing a circle of 15 diameter. Okay, and it has a distance from this line to this line 26 unit, and we can see that it is situated at the middle of this point. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude boss, now extrude boss it to 7 plus 5 plus 7 unit. Okay, and make sure to select the mid plane from here. Now press OK. So our second portion has been done. Now let's go back to our sketch. In our sketch we can see we have kind of rib type shape here. Okay, and we won't be using rib features here, we'll draw this manually here. Okay, and if we see this portion, triangular portion, we can see another triangular portion also is hidden here. So we assume that like this portion here, we have another portion in this other side also. Okay, for drawing this portion from the front plane, I will draw an inclined line from this point to this circle. Here it will be a tangent line. Then I will use the converting interest features to draw this line. Then I'll draw, then I close the shape. After that I will extrude it to 5 unit from the mid plane. Okay, after drawing that we can see we will have some extra portion in here to be covered up. So we will also cover up this extra portion later on. So let's me demonstrate. So first of all I am selecting the front plane here. Now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it. After that select the line tool from here, and from this point draw a tangent line. Okay, you can see that this is a tangent line, so drawing a tangent line. After that select this circular profile, now converting this, so we have gotten our circular profile here. Okay, now uh, now I am selecting a center line from here and drawing a center line up to this point. Okay, our center line has been drawn. Now select the line tool and close this shape. So our this half portion has been done, but we also have the similar same portion in other side also. So for that, I am let me first trim this extra portion that we don't need. Okay, we have trimmed this extra portion. If we see, we have gotten this shape. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Okay, let's go back to our normal view again. Now select the mirror entities and entities to be mirror. We want to mirror this line and this line also and this line also, and mirror about this center line. Now press OK. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 5 unit from the mid plane. Okay, now press OK and make sure to uncheck the merge. Now press OK. This time our shape has been drawn. Now if we go back to our sketch, we can see we have not have a finished surface here. So we need to do this, fill this surface. So right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now zoom it here, and after that select this circle and now convert into this. So this circle line has been drawn. Now select this line and convert into this also. Now select the line tool and close this two line. Okay, I'm closing this two line. One is, and again select the line tool and close this portion also. Okay, now select the trim entities and trim the all the unnecessary line that we don't need. Now press OK. After that isometric it for a better view. Now zoom it here. Okay, now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now we will gonna extrude boss these two portions. So I'm selecting this one and this other one. Okay, we're gonna extrude boss it. Now select extrude boss up to surface. We'll extrude boss it to up to this surface. Okay, now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. So our this portion has been filled like this one. Now let's back to next point. In the next point we'll do the same way. In this time we'll select the right plane, then I'll from this point I'll draw an incline line and a tangent line. Then I will draw this curve shape by using convert entities. Then I will mirror the same thing in the other side also. Then I will close the shape. After that I will extrude it to 5 unit. Okay, so let's do that portion again. So I am selecting the right plane now. Now sketch. Now normal to it. After that select the line tool from here and place the line tool here and draw an incline line. Okay, so sometimes it's if you can get the tangent symbol, then you can draw an incline line like this way. Okay, then you can use select this circle, then convert into this. Now select this line along with other line also by using control click. Okay, and then select the tangent line. Now it will be tangent automatically. So you can do the similar portion in this side also, or you can mirror it. So draw an incline line, then select this line and select the other line by control click. Okay, then make them tangent line. Now press OK. So our this two portion has been done. Now select the trim entities and trim the unnecessary portion that we don't need. Now select the line tool. Now close the shape. So I am closing the shape. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 5 unit. So I'm extruding to from mid plane to 5 unit. Now press OK. So our this portion has been done, but in here we can see again our these two surface has not filled. So I'm selecting this surface. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now select the convert entries. So this there will be a circle drawn in here. Now select again this line, now make this convert entries. So another line has been drawn. Now select the line tool from here and draw an horizontal line, okay, a vertical line, and same goes to the other side also. Select this line and draw a vertical line. Now select the trim entities and trim the unnecessary line that we don't need. Now press OK. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. We want to extrude boss these two portion. Okay. So I'm selecting this inner face, also this inner face, and we'll extrude boss to up to surface. We'll extrude boss it to up to this surface. Now press OK. So our extrude boss has been done. Now isometric it for a better view. Now again let's go back to our sketch. In our sketch we can see we have a extrude cut cycle, and this extrude cut cycle has a diameter of 18 unit, and we have another extrude cut cycle, and this another extrude cut cycle has a diameter of 9 unit, and they are through all extrude cut. Okay, so I am selecting this face. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select the circle tool from here and then draw a circle of 18 diameter. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all both. Now press OK. Again select this face. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Then select the circle and place the circle to the previous circle uh, center. Then draw a circle of 9 diameter. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all both. Now press OK. So as you can see, we have done our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching. And keep learning. Be different.